Hi guys and welcome to Horologique. Today we are going to see together the Bersigar or Pagani design Daytona Homage, and this is the 1644. Let's start with dimensions. This watch is 40 millimeters in diameter with a thickness of 11.5 millimeters, a log-to-log 47.5 millimeters, an end-link to end-link dimension of 53 millimeters, a log width of 20 millimeters, a bracelet dimension at the case of 20 millimeters, and the bracelet tapers down to 15.5 and then back up to 18 at the sign clasp, a sign Bersigar, as you can see. And I don't know, after reviewing so many homage watches, how I could miss this one. It might be because of the fact that it's a quartz. This is a mecha quartz with the sake of VK64 mecha quartz movement on it. So whenever I hear quartz, I'm not usually really excited, but I was wrong. These might be among the very best values that Pagani design have to offer. And I'll let you know why during this video. As we could see for the dimensions of the original Daytona are respected. It's pretty much the same dimensions. Let's now go to the features of this watch, and that VK64 chronograph movement allows us to have a true chronograph here. As you can see, the main hour module is regulated by a quartz movement. If you see the sub-dial at 6, that is the seconds, and you see the typical tick every second of a quartz movement. But, check these, the VK64 incorporates a mechanical module, and you just unscrew the pushers like I have done, and bam, you have a very satisfying mechanical click. You have 5 clicks per second. Okay, now let's stop and reset, and you can even reset it directly with the reset button without having to push this one. So it's not like a flyback where you can do this and then the chronograph hand will continue running. It will just get back to the 0 position and stop there. Alright, aesthetically this watch, well, it is very much like the Daytona it is trying to represent, but it will not cost you an arm, a leg, a kidney and your eyes. It will only cost you 60 euros. That is pretty amazing for all that you're getting here. Let's see what you're getting here. You're getting, as I told you, that VK64 that we have just seen. You are getting a sapphire crystal, and I have just bought the diamond selector, which will allow me to see if it is really sapphire. So let's go, let's check it. Yeah, let's say yeah, it is testing positive for sapphire. There you go, wonderful. So this is really sapphire. And besides from this sapphire, you are getting a ceramic bezel. And on that bezel, you see that bezel is engraved with the tachymeter marks. With this scale, you can measure the speed of an object on a given distance. The case itself is very much like the Daytona case. It's all brushed all over on the top of the lugs, on the watch, on the sides of the watch. Alright, and the crown is signed with the Bersigar logo in this case, and it will be signed with the Pagani design logo in case you are wanting one of those. Okay, you have real screw down pushers, which means that once you screw them down you cannot push them again, and that will make it that there is no accidental push when you're underwater, when you're bathing, or when you're exposing the watch to water. That is great, and once unscrewed they work just perfectly. There you go. Not only that, but also the crown is a screw down crown, and it does have a rubber gasket, ensuring 100 meters of water resistance. Wonderful. The difference with an actual Daytona is that here you've got at 430 you've got a date window, courtesy of that Seiko movement again. Alright, let's talk about the bracelet. And the bracelet is a classic 3-link bracelet with the side links that are vertically brushed and the middle links that are polished. It is pretty well done, and it's solid all over, and it's held together by screws, which is very, very good at this price point. Okay, the case back, as you can see there, has a signed Bersigar with the reference of the watch, and it tells you the water resistance, and that everything is stainless steel. As for that signed clasp, you've got the classic double flip mechanism with the first security, and then like the Rolex you just open it thus. Okay, and as you can see, everything is solid and well built. You do not have any kind of extension here, but that doesn't matter at all. I'd rather have this system with no extensions, that they're sometimes iffy extensions that they put, and they sometimes break. Why did I say at the beginning that this watch is among the best values from Pagani design? Well, you get a lot for this watch. You get all that sapphire and everything, but somehow it feels very much better constructed than many other offers from Pagani design. The watch feels quality. Don't expect Saint Martin or Chronos quality, but it does feel very good quality, and for 40 and for 60 euros, well, it is, I would dare to say it is a true bargain, really, guys. You know, I've been bashing Pagani design lately with the choices they've been making, raising their prices and giving us so-so watches, but these guys is where Pagani design excel. These and the 1661. I really think these are the two best bang per buck Pagani designs you can get. Alright, that's been the video, guys. Let me know if you have this watch. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with me, if you're happy with it, but I am really impressed. Thank you again, guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and why don't you go and check my other Pagani design videos? I'll leave a link right here so you can go and check those out. Thank you again, guys, and I'll be seeing you very soon on these videos. Goodbye.